Great things not the mighty name of Rastafari. And you see, a gunboat beach we're going to talk about today on Philip Paulwell. You understand what I say? Yeah, and how Rockfort, East Kingston and Port Royal become a breeding ground for fat cat politician. You know, see, I tell you why. See, you see, through the 80s when Seaga win the election, you see the petty grievousness Seaga treat the community with as a politician, that caused the psychological mind frame were set in East Kingston and Port Royal. I don't have no problem with it. You get what I say? But I just be honest and tell you, see how we Seaga used to have a labor right to walk with soldier through Rockfort and a kick down and a box on people and them thing there, you know. You get what I say? Yeah. See, that's just one of the instances. You get what I say? But alright, apart from them pettiness there, why the loyalty to the PNP party so substantial even to today. You get what I say? Because over maybe say 30 or 40 years where East Kingston and Port Royal has been a grassroots, hardened PNP constituency. You get what I say? A safe seat. Yeah? None of them party MP ever really do anything significant for the community of Kingston and Port Royal. East Kingston and Port Royal, who can say remember throughout them time. You get what I say? And let all of them just end up get big and fat and rich. You know, see it, all Americans know them more than we and things like that. You get what I say? So it come like say we just as a safe seat now we just end up breed fat cat politician who feel like and know the psychology and the trauma, the psychological trauma we say I gotta put you through and know say that alone make the party itself, make the constituency itself remain so loyal. You get what I say? Alright, make a look on gunboat then. When I grew up as a youth, you know, man. Good gosh, Rockfort, East Kingston, then, and Port Royal are two are the only coastal constituency them in a Kingston. Two are the only coastal constituency in a Kingston. You get what I say? And when I say coastal, I mean with beach front area, you know, and for the greater part of it, PGA, wipe out, I could say, 3/4 of it. See? With the highway, where most people are rebel because we need a road, but still him could have buy more land, more inland, and live over the beach. You know, see, because that natural resource, that relevant resource. You get what I say? Anyway, further on up on Port Royal, Airport Road now, right, you have Gunboat Beach. You get what I say? Gunboat Beach now where you're going to see a picture down on the bottom, you see a flow through where you know say that was the look when I grew up off the beach. You get what I say? Now, them infrastructure is still there, the foundation and everything still there, you know. I doubt if that's the cost. But now I estimate, but that now going to cost an arm and a leg for clean up and set up back that beach there in the interest of the community, the people them where you're supposed to serve, where the joy there, where the sense of camaraderie, community, where the contribution, where you contribute back to the social development at the same order will get you and keep you in the position where you're there. Because if it wasn't for the social circle and the community at large, you wouldn't maintain a position the way they like me. I said they would have voted you out a long time. I probably vote out the PNP out of East Kingston and Port Royal because wouldn't have done nothing for them. You get what I say? So now man garden school I mean, you said that school Philip Paulwell go to me, I work a lie. I can't do that. People just have spread the rumor. Because I couldn't my school that as an MP and the road for God to stay so. More test the school, so you can imagine the school when you reach there. You understand what I say? It's a total disgrace. Philip Paulwell. Philip Paulwell is a total fat cat politician. But it come like him just a suck, Rasta. Like me always I say him just a suck from the poor people when criticize and disrespect every day when any little criminality go on and thing like that and blame back the same youth them where him no member until him say a media opportunity, a public relations opportunity. You understand what I say? Philip Paulwell is a disgrace Rasta. You know how I'm the whole I will grow up as you come here about seeing it, I'm good at older than you. But really and truly me disappointed in you because only type of people them who suck out and not recontribute but nothing when them in the position for do it, especially in a position of authority, a position of government, somebody from the local community, or somebody that were hating people them secretly and now admit it. You get what I say? So me can't see no other way because history proven to people like you with attitude like yours have a disdain for the community and the people and where you grew up around. You understand what I say? You despise them when you grow up. You know, see, you never see yourself fit for the likes and them type of surrounding you and them association, yeah. You know, see, that's why you emotionally, physically, psychologically disassociate yourself from East Kingston and Port Royal, the community where you have under your charge. You get what I say? No disrespect. You know, see, I don't know what happened to Paul Burke, but I just feel like Paul Burke having dirty ways, me and him and a friend still. Me and him and an enemy neither. But me just assure you, say, to me, over the year, I do Paul Burke do more work in East Kingston and Port Royal more than enough for you know, socially and psychologically. You know, see, yeah, him do a whole heap of damage to a whole heap of people will attest to that, I am sure. But he's a man who more physical and more active, more, you know, yeah, he more dead, you know, see it. When it come on to Philip Paulwell now, me not telling a lie, a couple times where you could have walked through all your community them without any form of alternative motive, like a motive that benefits you. He could have can count on one hand and left most finger. You know, see it? No Rasta. When you look on the light, look on the beauty of gunboat. You know, see it? Oh, you know, see it as an economic resource for the community of East Kingston and Port Royal. You know, see it? That is a place you could have run all day Sunday, you know. When you beat out, what do you call it, yeah? Super Day, right at the roundabout, this one beat out all that. That's why I say, you don't have nothing to do to get the people. You know the spot, you know the amount of that spot they could have run right through the week, through the year. Man, I sell ganja, man just come off of the plane and put up and buy the best dry weed right there, so and burn it before him go away. Drink 2 jelly, eat piece of cane, eat a snapper, whatever. You know how much things could have gone this if you get a youth and Philip Paul where you is a man who come from east and you could have got a beach there. Go swim to when you're a youth. You know, see it, you remember the joy, the glory of that little spot there. I don't know do nothing for it, just this so alone. And I just show you how beneficial that could have been to even your greed as well, because you could have most of the business them secretly when you are so on the stay. You know, see it, and I run them. You know, see it, you could have a hand in other people them till to where I sell class there. You know, see it, and I get phone share. You know, see it. But what you don't know what me to benefit the ghetto people them do. So you know, see it as an inspirational task to pick up. Philip Paulwell personally are you me disgusted with more than how me disgusted with Bro God. Me not have no reason for be disgusted with Bro God neither, you know. You give me more reason for be disgusted with you, Bro God. I do film job. Him a do film job as expected perfectly over there now. Disappointment from Bro God. You know, see it. You know who is a student of socialism and PMP party, and you see how Rockford, East Kingston and the whole place suffer the most. You see how Warwick suffer the most. So that's Uno can do whisper, Uno there now, and still the people them hardly barely see no benefit out of the representation. Uno must be ashamed of yourself. But again, Uno plan that from Unaga High School though. Uno plan that from Unaga High School so Uno just come hustle the poor and suck as much as one can suck out of them. and gone on away and feel good about yourself. Gone on the bed feeling good. You are the personification of a fat cat politician. More bless. Rastafari. Share, like, and subscribe.